everyone, so today I'm going to be doing a current favorites, which I'm just going to show you guys a couple of things that I've been loving recently, and most of them are going to be makeup, skincare, hair accessories, and just accessories in general. If you guys are excited, because I haven't really done much of a current favorites. I used to always do just like monthly favorites, but I think current favorites is just way more better personally for me, since I'm not always trying out new products. But if you are new to this channel, hi, my name is Emily. Welcome. Hope you are excited to see my current favorites. And also, if you guys are new or just haven't been following me on other social medias, I'm on TikTok, Instagram, so go follow me there. I'm gonna have all of my handles down in the description box. I post tons of other content on those social medias, and also I do have a Depop, so if you guys want to go shop my closet, it's also gonna be in the description box. So that is all I have to say for this intro, so let's just get started with the video. So one of my favorite hair accessories at the moment are these plain headbands. So I have one in pink and I have one in black. I want to get one in white also. However, I used to wear these when I was younger, and they're honestly the best headbands. It's stretchy, it's cotton, they're easy to wash if you get any makeup on them like me. But I love them so much because of how easy you can just style them with any outfit, especially the black one. So using these headbands is just such an easy way to add to your look, and it looks so adorable. I just love how they look on also. So I got these two pairs on Depop, and the seller no longer sells it, but I know you can find it in Brandon Melville, and I will have a link down below so you guys can find them. They also sell them at the pharmacy. It might be just like a thinner version, but these are super good. I think I got them for $6 altogether, which was amazing. So love these, and if you guys don't have any, you should definitely go buy some. And also, I used to think that headbands didn't look as good on me with my hair curly, but with these it just looks so cute. Definitely try them out if you haven't. So my last hair accessory is this big hair clip. They are called clamps. This is the easiest way for you to style your hair that's gonna look really good. So I'm just gonna see if I could show you guys how I do it. So I just grab my hair and then I twist it in the back, and I take the clip and I clip it there, and my hair looks amazing. I love this, especially with my hair curly. It looks so good, and it's huge. I like it. It can grab all your hair, and I got it from Amazon with 3 other colors. So pink, a nude, and a green color. I haven't used these yet, but I've been using my black one and I love it. These are so nice, and they just feel really good quality, and I don't feel like they'd break easily either. And I might have gotten this for like $11 to $12, not really sure, but I just think they're super cute, and it's also another way that you can style up your outfit without having to just use your clothes, and you can use your hair. And then another one of my current favorites are actually another Amazon find, which are these beautiful sunglasses. I love the square style on sunglasses. I think they fit me really well. I love how they're a little bit oversized for my face. I just think they're super cute. And then the next color I got them in is black, and I'm pretty sure I got both pairs for $14, which is super good because I'm also somebody who's very cheap with sunglasses, so I didn't want to pay a lot, especially for styles like these. They're perfect. I love them so much, and I've been wearing them all the time now. Also, everything that I'm mentioning will be linked down below, so you guys can go check them out. Another one of my current favorites are shoulder bags. This is my go-to shoulder bag. I have another one in pink, but I'm always grabbing this one. I kind of wish I also got it in black because I'm literally adding this to whatever outfit. They're just so cute and convenient. This one especially fits a lot of stuff. Sometimes shoulder bags don't look like they fit a lot, but they really do. Very spacious. And I purchased this bag from a store called, I don't know if it's the Crypt or the Crypt. I'm not really sure. I don't know how they pronounce it. I know it's a Middle Eastern brand because I know that's where they ship their items from. So this bag is just very easy to style. Also, I just really love shoulder bags, and they're so cute because I'm also a small bag person, so these bags are just the best thing ever for me. So those were all like my fashion accessories that I am currently loving right now. So now we're just gonna go into skincare and beauty. The first skincare item, and the only skincare item that I have, is this face wash that I've been using. And as you guys know, I've been struggling with acne for a while now, and I haven't been able to maintain it. However, this foaming wash has just been the best thing ever for me. So it's from Stelly, and this is the Pure Face Wash. So Stelly is a very small business, and I'm pretty sure they're based in New York. I'm not exactly sure, but their products are so amazing, and I'm not sure if you can purchase this right now. They consistently do restock their items, but this face wash has just done wonders to my skin. So it just says on the back, shake, pump glow. So right before I wash my face, I'm just going to shake this bottle, and then I do like 1 pump, and then I wash my face and then wash it off, of course. So some of the ingredients that are in this face wash is 100% aloe vera, vitamin E, and then we got meadow foam seed oil, hazelnut oil, blueberry seed oil, and tons of more really good things for your face. And I'm almost like running out now that I'm looking at it, so I definitely have to get a new one. This product has just maintained my acne, and I haven't had so many breakouts as I usually do, so really good product. So now going into makeup, my first favorite is this Ulta Beauty Juice Infused Lip Oil, and oh my god, this is the best thing ever. So this is just like a gloss, except obviously it's an oil, and I think this is even easier to apply on top of other lipsticks. This is just so moisturizing. I love it. It's a really good product, and I think it's only like $9. I actually just found out about this not that long ago from my friend Alyssa, so thank you for putting me on, but really good. And as you guys can see, I have applied this on top of lipsticks, and you can't even see like, you know, any pink or nude color on the actual application. So love this, really good, and I just like this better than a gloss. I mean, I have a gloss on right now, but I think this is just easier to apply and just feels nicer, and it's not sticky at all. These are just the creamiest lip liners ever. So the first thing I do is I just line my lips with this lip liner, and then I go in with the Morphe matte lipstick in the color Wifey. And I honestly don't know if they sell this color anymore. I bought this a while ago from when like James Charles like dropped like the collection of like his favorite items from Morphe. I just love the combination of the lip liner with this lipstick, and then I usually top it off with this Pure Cosmetic lip gloss that I got from my friend also, and this is in the pearl color. So I'm not sure if they sell this because I did get it in like a Christmas like mini gift stocking item type of thing, so hopefully they do sell it because this is such a pretty gloss also. And as you guys can see, it's a little pink too because, you know, I tend to use this on top of other lipsticks. Okay, so my next product is a Fenty Beauty item, and I actually restarted using the Fenty Beauty Pro Filter Foundation, the matte version, and I loved it, but then since it was summertime, I needed to go a shade darker, and I saw the hydrating one, and I decided, you know what, let me try it. So I got my shade that I currently needed, and oh my god, I love this foundation so much. So I actually found out it's the same amount of ounces as the matte one, which I didn't expect. I'm in the color 300, and a little goes a long way with this item, and it's just really good. Really good foundation for every day. Also, if you have acne, I feel when you have acne you just want to cover more, but like I said, honestly, 1 pump can really just do your whole face. So sometimes I go from like 1 to 2 pumps depending how much coverage I want, but this is a really good item, and I think this was like $32. I'm pretty sure it's around the same price as the matte foundation also. Lastly, my last beauty item is something that I have been so happy that I found, that I tried out, because this is such a game changer. So I'm talking about the Huda Beauty Legit Lashes Mascara. So it has 2 sides, 1 volume and then 1 for curl and length. And this has been the best mascara ever. I also have it on my face now. Oh, and I also forgot to mention I have the Fenty Beauty foundation on now. So let me tell you, this mascara has been such a game changer. I feel like it makes me look like I have fake lashes on. My lashes are always lifted. I never have to reapply mascara. Sometimes like I feel like throughout the day mascara just doesn't look the same. Sometimes it even flakes off and it's just like down and just doesn't look its best at all times. But this mascara always looks good. Like the best thing I could have ever invested in, and it was $27. So much formula comes in, and I know Huda Beauty has a lot of controversy around the brand, but I just had to try out this mascara once I saw it came out, and it's really been the best thing ever. So those are all my current favorites right now, but I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you do try out any other products, let me know how it works for you, or if you have any other products, let me know what you guys think. If you enjoyed this video and want to see more, don't forget to subscribe and like this video. Also, don't forget to follow me on all my other social medias that are also going to be linked down below, like TikTok, Instagram, and Depop, and I will see you guys in the next video.